if you ask me what's the most important subsystem of a vehicle, I would say it's the electronic architecture. Hello, everyone. I'm Eric Liao from MIH Consortium in charge of the EEA working group. To achieve SDV, software-defined vehicle, the EEA is transforming from distributed into centralized. So in the same time, automotive manufacturers treat the EEA as their top secret. But in this rapid changing world, we think open and agnostic is our strategy. So how do we achieve the open and agnostic? The first, we're putting all the middleware on different hardware. So you can run in your application on the different hardware through the open API with the middleware standard interface. All of the innovators or the creators, they can developing their applications like the body control, ADAS, smart cabin through these open APIs. And also, MIH will open all of these reference design for different purpose vehicles. And I want to emphasize again the working group goal. Use our software optimization to reduce the development lead time. It's the first. And the second, using the open API with the MIH middleware standards to achieve the software optimizations. And we will have the open zonal architecture toward the whole vehicle Ethernet. And the last, it's the open EEBug for verification. Here is our system overview. We will provide the vertical integration system to let every developer to verify their applications, including the hardware and the software stack to the application. Every application developer can use this platform to verify their application from the pure application to the hardware parts. In the software, we will plan into the two major open source software projects. One is MIH Zone, and the other is the MIH SOA. This is for two different layers. MIH Zone is tucking into the lower layer, which is the connecting the hardware parts to the middlewares. And the MIH SOA provide the upper layers APIs, which you can use the middleware to control all of the hardware parts through the MIH Zone. Then through this combination of applications, people can build their own applications and their own vehicles. So here is all the details of all the hardware and software. In the second quarter of next year, we plan to reveal all of the hardware and the software in the same times. It will including the ADAS SoC platform through the ECU platforms. So once we complete the software application libraries, through this combination of the application with the modules, and we can build the B2B and build own vehicle things, like we have the core vehicle applications. And once we want to build a passenger vehicle, we can use the combination of the application, like the passenger vehicle modules, like the front seat control modules, combine them together to build the passenger vehicles. And on the logistic vehicles, then maybe you need the robot logistic vehicles, then you can use in the AI system and the smart logistic direct controls subsystems. And the last thing I want to mention is the MIH standards has their own procedures. Every working group can submit the standards to MIH office. Then the MIH office have the reviewing process. Then it can be the MIH standards. Right now, I want to thank all of the contributing members and which joined the EEA working group. They give us a lot of efforts on the working group. And also, in my presentation, you will notice there is a core connecting to the button of the hardware to the application. That is the middleware. Right now, I want to thank to the Foxconn group. They are willing to contribute their HHEV OS to MIH as the SOA APIs and the middleware standards.